Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we will see how to create a 2D drawing in SolidWorks with the help of a 3D model. Here we created this simple model and we will see how to make this simple 2D drawing in SolidWorks, and we will see how to make this section views and few basic things we are going to know in this tutorial. So let's start to create this simple tutorial for SolidWorks drawing. Now here we will learn how to create a simple drawing in SolidWorks with the help of 3D model. So this is the simple model we created and we saved as model number 67. Now let's create. There are many ways to create a drawing. So the basic way, just you can click new and select here drawing and click OK. But once you click OK, it will ask you your landscape, your size of sheet. So anything you can choose it, but this is the letter we will see. Cancel it. And the another way, you can directly enter from here, make drawing from part assembly. Now see here, any landscape size you have to choose. So I'll choose here landscape B. Okay. Now once you click OK, it will give you in your left hand side view palette, you will see there are multiple things, multiple options. So you have to choose any one and drag it. So I'll start with front plane. I'll start, drag it, then drag top side, top view, and the right hand side view. And if you want isometric view, you will see here, click OK. Now even though if you like to increase your, this is your basic for first view, custom scale. Even though you can change the scale from here, see, but that is okay. Even though you can choose from here user defined 3, it's going too small, so 1.5, that's fine, but 2, that's fine. Okay. Now even though if you like to change, right click on sheet and here go to properties, and from properties you can change the sheet name, scale also you can change here 1/2, and angle, third angle is the standard angle people going to choose, so I'll keep third angle. Even if you can change, you will see first angle. Now see, it's changed, but we will keep third angle. This is the standard way. Now even you can choose individual color. So if we want to change this color, here uncheck use parent, because this is your parent. Styles, now see individual, I can change, keep high quality. Oh, that's it. You can drag it. Now this one, hidden line visible. Now you will see here hidden lines are visible. Even though we can define the import annotations and dimensions from here also, or there are one more options I'll tell you. Or simply just go to annotation, model item, and here choose entire model. But we will not do, we will do one more thing, then we will apply a drawing in full view. First we will see how to make. Now here one option, detailed view, circle, just drag. Now see, click. Now here you can define all the things. Even you can choose hatch, full outline. Even though you can choose uncheck this parent, and see this color also we can change. It's up to us. Okay. Now model view, model item. Here you can choose entire model and click all the things so that all the details will come here. Click OK. Now see, all the details comes here. Now let me do one thing, just arranged it because it seems too hustle and bustle. Now see, even though you can apply, if you want to apply dimension individually, we have option here in annotation, smart dimension, and you can assign a separate dimensions or individual dimensions from here. See, if you click, you will see a small window. You can click here, type a typical dimensions. Now see, okay, even though if you want to make the dimensions, go to other, use font, uncheck font, and from here we can change the size and font style, everything from here. So I'll keep bold size, I feel that's better, or if you like you can make 4 minutes, but bold is enough. Now look, now this is the section view what we created. Those things you don't like, just simply delete it. So this is the section 1. Here you will see a detailed view of this circular part. I told you, even though you can change this one. Okay, this is your drawing. Even we have one more option here, section view. If you go to section view, you will have multiple number of cutting. First we will see, if you drag you will see, so you have to put your cursor on the center and it will ask you section view. Click OK and you will see, drag in any side wherever you like. So let me drag this side. Now here you have too many things. Documents font, that means the same font we will keep. Slice, see, if you click slice section, the only it will show you shaded portion. Okay, now even you can import dimensions from here. See, it's dimensioned. If you uncheck, even though if you like to change color, see, it's changed. That's it. Even though, okay, even though we can change the dimension also from here. So see, this thickness 12 millimeters. So double click on this and here we will change dimension. Let me change 5 millimeter. Okay, now here click refresh. Now see, it's changed. Go to window and click here model. Now see, it is changed. So this is the simple way. Even you can modify our 3D model also from here. Window, model 2, double click and edit. 12 millimeter. Okay, refresh. That's it. So this is these few basic things which is really helpful for creating a drawing in SolidWorks with the help of any kind of model. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.